Alright, so if you didn't watch the last video, I have bought another E36. It's going to replace the Lexus as the skid car, so go watch that if you haven't watched it. It was sat for 3 years, so it was super crusty. So I cleaned it. Look at it. It actually hasn't cleaned up too bad. Could do with a clay bar, because there's loads of bird remnants on it. But it ain't looking too bad. I'm pretty stoked on that. I kind of like this colour now. Still a bit gross, but it's better than it was. The bumper is currently off because I have this, which is a primed M Sport front bumper. This is non-genuine, it's from eBay, but I've just been mocking it up and it actually fits pretty well. Just for reference, this is what the old one looks like. Doesn't look bad. I think this is like the SE one, I don't know, but it could look better. And that is the M Sport. Look how well it fits for an eBay jobby. And it's like the lip is actually built in to the mold. Whereas normally that's a separate piece and you always trash it. Hence why I don't have one on this, because that is trashed. There we go. M Sport front bumper. So I'm still waiting for the 2-post lift. It's arriving tomorrow. So I'm kind of just waiting for that to arrive before we can actually properly start on the compact. But we've got some cool little things. One of those little things is actually not so little. Andy and I drove up to Chester last night, which is like the Liverpool area. It's like a 5-hour round trip and we bought some wheels. They're gonna look sick. So, this is them. Quite dishy. They are FOM Kings. They are K1200.2s. ET32, I think they're 7.5s all the way around. Yeah, 7.5s by 16s. Shout out to the blokes that we picked these up off. They actually watched the videos and they were real sound, so thank you for the wheels. I'm kind of annoyed that I haven't got coilovers for this yet, because if I mock them up it's just going to look shit, but we'll do it anyway. That's gonna look very cool. They are gonna need to get rid of that. But you can kind of see the potential, right? Let's just put these on, see if that looks any better. Ooh, I don't know. Leave me a comment down below. What do you reckon? Center caps? Or no center caps? There is a clean compact with an M Sport bumper with some new wheels on. I'm happy with that. I got nothing else to do. I was going to take all the stickers off and clean the interior, but Andy just rang me and he wants me to go do something, so I will see you guys tomorrow when the lift is arriving and we'll go from there. I've just been on a mad one. We've got hydraulic fluid, so I had to get that. I needed a M18 drill bit to drill the concrete. 4-core wire, 15 meters. That is for the 3-phase. We got a fuse, the fuse box, and some plugs. I literally was just running around Gloucester for about 2 hours trying to get all that. And I also got some ham, cheese and coleslaw croissants for the boys, and some crisps and beer. Because Andy and Dan are coming around in a minute and we're going to spend the night trying to get this lift up and running. I just want to say as well, I wouldn't be able to do this like lift and cars and stuff like that if you guys didn't watch my videos, and
support me. I know the sponsor stuff, like I'm doing a lot of them at the moment, and it might put some of you off, but I don't really make enough videos to like support this stuff from ad revenue alone, so the sponsors really help. So thank you very much for watching them and not giving me shit for doing it. Basically, I am putting all of that back into the channel, back into the warehouse, and back into the cars, so that you guys have something to watch as well, and like, yeah, hopefully you guys will benefit as well. So thanks guys, thanks for helping me get a two-post lift, because this is sick. Literally just as I was chatting, this arrived, and I'm hoping it's my wing mirrors. My flies are undone. Whoops. I found these on eBay. I basically just love M3 mirrors, so these are going to go on the compact. The way you can tell they're genuine is there's a base plate under here, and there will be a little BMW symbol just there. That's how you know they're genuine.
Boys are here. We've borrowed the forklift from my next door neighbour. None of us have ever driven one.
Straight into E36, yeah? Look at that. Right.
Yeah, nice. All right, we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna time lapse it because this could take a while. So let's go. 2 hours later, we've figured out this placement. There is only one way this setup is going to work. We need to still be able to get to the picking bins for the clothes. We need to get a car in here, in this space. So this is it. We have an SDS drill bit with a non-SDS drill.
Oh yeah.
This is perfect combo, isn't it?
Yeah, it's combo.
Alright, just real quick, we have released 2 new air fresheners, the camo pack. I just dropped it. We've got cherry and watermelon. I'm gonna give a free pack of these to every order over the next 3 days. All you gotta do is enter this code down here and you'll get these. We've just restocked our V3 windbreakers. We've got hoodies in stock, we've got loads of joggers, we've got Rise hoodies, Summit hoodies, we've got long sleeve tees, we've got loads of stuff. So if you wanna place an order, there's a link in the description and put this code in, you'll get free air fresheners. Also, I will do these for the giveaway today. If you want to win a pack of these, then just comment down below. Let me know what you think of the 2-post lift. Let me know what you think of the compact. Let me know what videos you want to see. Tell me what you've had for breakfast. Yeah, I want to know that. These are the giveaway winners from last week's video. You win the sunnies, and thank you very much. Back to the video. Total measurement should be 3,420, right? Wide. Ready for this?
Right, that's over that.
You on the back?
Yeah.
That's actually pretty spot on. Drill that one then, isn't it?
Drill it.
We have 2 bolts in each, and we're gonna get the forklift in and try and get this top piece on. We did we've done a clear floor ramp, so there's no bottom bit, it's all at the top. So instead of the hydraulic lines and the wires going like that, they go up there, which means you don't have a bump to go through. Andy's never used a forklift in his life before today. Let's see how fancy you are then. Keep coming. Stop.
Stop that!
Right, come on. Switch on now, boys, for fuck's sake.
Cable time?
Cable side. This one's up and over, and we've got to do the other one.
The other way, yeah. Right. So the next day, we were here till 4 in the morning, getting all this done, and then I stayed here. Haven't slept much, haven't showered, but we're back, we're nearly done. I spent the whole morning wiring up all this conduit and going all around to there. So now we got the wire in here. I've done a nice little piece up there. That comes out the box. I had to drill a new hole. That goes up there, and then it goes into that plug that I wired. So we're just gonna go straight from the box into a commando plug, and then this is the other side. So I'm gonna wire that up to this, and then that goes all the way around there, and then we had too many cables in this conduit, so this chunky one didn't fit through here, so I had to drill a hole, put these in, and Andy's just splicing the wires now, and we're gonna wire it into here. How are you getting on, Shaq?
Don't be loving this, alright? Set of scissors.
Andy and Bot wiring 3-phase with a pair of scissors. Earth, live 1, live 2, live 3. And that is 3-phase wiring. There it is then. Done. That's L1, L2, L3. They're labelled L1, L2, L3. Bang them in.
I think so.
Can't be that hard, can it? This is fucking terrifying, isn't it?
Shitting your pants out, boy.
Not now, it's terrifying when I turn it on. Boom! Find out it doesn't work.
Should get the impact gun on that. Right, see if this thing plugs in then. She reach? That's the first hurdle.
That's in. That's all done. That's done.
Go flick that switch then.
Go flick it.
Yes! I've never seen someone so nervous.
Ready?
Yeah.
You got to press the button.
Whoa!
We're actually Sparkies.
There it works, stop.
That's not bad, is it? Alright, let's get some oil in it. This is our oil. What we got? ISO 32, hydraulic fluid. There it is.
Golden syrup, that is.
Right, I'm gonna go finish the fuse box. I'll be back in a minute. Nice. Get the arms on, and then we'll see if it'll lift it. Hit that button. Didn't work. Hey! That scared me then.
No.
First car test. Yeah, send it up. Is that maxed out?
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
He's clean though.
She is clean.
All right, there it is. We have a 2-post lift. I'm super stoked. We've got to pull the engine out of the compact next video, so that lift is gonna help loads. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know this is a bit of a different one, but it is what it is. We had to get it done. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video next week. Drop a comment down below, buy some stuff and you'll win those air fresheners or get them for free. And I'm gonna go now because I'll ramble. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.